In this video, you will learn how to turn a photo into a sketch. To turn your image into a sketch, all you need to do is to open the Google Play Store and search for an app called Voila AI Artist. So first of all, install this app. Now open this app. After opening the app, you will see this interface. Now go to My Sketch feature. Grant permission. And then select your photo from your phone gallery. And it will turn your photo into a sketch. Like this. After that, you can download your photo. That's it. This is the easy way to turn your photo into a sketch using Voila AI Artist. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching.